Hello everyone, this is Melissa from Trendline. In this video, I'll take you through how to get started with using some of the platform's features. Let's begin with Trendline Superstar section. Superstar investors are known for their large strategic investments in publicly listed companies. Following their buys and sells can help investors identify bullish sectors and stocks. On Trendline, you will find public portfolios with investors like Vijay Kedia, Rare Enterprises, Rekha Jhunjhunwala, Ashish Kacholia, Sunil Singhania, Monish Pabrai, and others. These portfolios are updated quarterly as and when exchange filings come in. To access the Superstars section, hover over the main navigation bar at the top and click on Superstars. Here you will find the net worth change of major superstar investors and their top holdings. You can also see the preferred sectors in which each superstar investor holds significant positions. The value of superstar investors' public portfolios and net worth fluctuates based on new additions and changes to their holdings in publicly listed companies, as well as share price changes of the companies. You can track the portfolio values over multiple quarters. When you scroll down, you can see a list of superstar investors, their portfolio value and change percentage, number of stocks held, preferred sectors, and more. You can click on specific superstar to view his or her portfolio and for detailed analysis of their holdings. You can set superstar alerts to get notified whenever an investor of your choice makes changes to his or her portfolio or holding. Click on the Superstar Alert icon as shown here. You can set up Superstar Alerts to receive updates on shareholding changes and any bulk deal or insider SAST trades executed by Superstar investors. These alerts can be configured to trigger on an hourly, daily, and weekly basis. You can also set these alerts directly on the respective Superstar investors page. Let's take Ashish Kacholia for example. Here you will see Kacholia's net worth change and his latest buys and sells. You can also track bulk and block deals and insider SAST trades by clicking on the respective tabs. To get alerts whenever there are changes to his portfolio, click on Add Superstar Alerts as shown here. If the superstar investor you're looking for is not available in the list, you can search by their name using the search bar. This is a custom search feature and you will be provided with the search results. You can also find buys and sales by the major superstar investors in the respective screener. You can set a screener alert for these. Moving on to Trendline's Data Downloader feature. Data Downloader lets you download detailed Excel reports on indices, sectors, industries, watch lists, or portfolios of your choice. You can access the Data Downloader feature in multiple ways. Hover over the Markets tab in the top navigation bar and click on Data Downloader under the Tools section. Alternatively, you can access the Data Downloader through the Screeners, Portfolio, or Watchlist sections. To do this, click on the Download or Export icon on any screener or watchlist and choose Data Downloader from the drop-down. Now let's see how to use the feature. You can download reports for indices, sectors, industries, or watchlists or portfolio using pre-built or custom metrics. You can download data for 2 groups or 1,000 stocks and up to 3 metric lists, totaling 90 parameters at a time. After choosing your metrics, click on Download Data to save it as an Excel file. The steps are the same when using Data Downloader through screeners, portfolios, or watchlists. You can now also use the Data Downloader feature to download data for all contracts in the F&O segment and portfolio P&L and other metrics for one or more portfolios. Let's explore the results dashboard on the platform. To access the results dashboard, hover over the Markets tab in the top navigation bar and click on Results Dashboard. The results dashboard lets you track companies and sectors as results come in. It gives an overview of the performance of industries, sectors, portfolios, or watchlists. The dashboard shows the combined data for companies with average profit growth or decline, as well as revenue and operating profit growth. Note that industry performance in the results dashboard is calculated by totaling the numbers of all the companies in that industries to get an average. You can customize the results dashboard to show only the stocks in your chosen stock group from various indices, sectors, industries, watchlists, or portfolios. To do this, select the stock group from the drop-down menu. The dashboard will display the results summary for those selected stocks, as well as the top gainers and losers in revenue, profit, and operating profit growth. At the bottom of the results dashboard, you will see screeners based on live results. These are pre-built screeners that enable you to monitor companies based on their upcoming or recently announced results. You can track various categories such as companies with upcoming results, stocks outperforming the benchmark index post results, and those experiencing year over year and quarter over quarter increases in profit growth, and much more. On the results dashboard, you will also find the Rapid Results tab. Rapid Results provide an instant short summary of the quarterly results of companies as and when they are announced. You can use this feature to stay updated on the latest quarterly reports and an overview of various companies' results. Next to the Rapid Results tab, you will find the Conference or Earnings Calls tab. Trendline provides earnings conference calls for most listed companies. This list includes the earnings calls between company management and analysts recorded by Trendline and earnings call transcripts submitted to the exchanges. You can set up alerts for these calls on a daily or hourly basis. You can also listen to our earnings call podcasts on a number of platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, and others. We now also provide AI summaries of earnings calls. This way, you can stay informed about key risk factors and market developments, empowering informed investment decisions. Now, let's see how you can keep a check on results for different companies. If you wish to keep track of the results of different companies, both upcoming and previous, you can use the results calendar available in the results dashboard. To do this, click on the results calendar tab beside investor presentations on the results dashboard page as shown here. The next step is to add a start and end date and stock group. Under corporate actions, choose results. Click on generate report once done to see the list of companies that have announced their results or the ones with upcoming results. Now let's take a look at the IPO dashboard. The IPO dashboard gives information about the companies that have applied for an IPO, upcoming, or that are recently listed at BSE and NSE. You can also find information about past IPOs here. To access the dashboard, hover over the markets page and click on IPO dashboard. Here you will see details of upcoming and open IPOs. You can also search for IPOs directly from the search bar as shown here. To view details of new and upcoming IPOs, simply click on the company's name. This will show you details such as IPO bidding dates, the number of shares on offer, financials, and more. You can also find the draft and red herring prospectus of these companies. Next, you will find the IPOs that are listing soon. Here you can see the issue price, issue size, open date, and other details of recent IPOs. Below the list of IPOs soon to be listed, you can see IPO analysis by analysts at Trendline. Recently listed IPOs are IPOs that have already been listed on the exchanges. By clicking on View All, you can see all listed IPOs over the past few years. Here you can also find the most and least successful IPOs for your analysis. This video has covered accessing the Superstars section, data downloader feature, and the results and IPO dashboards on the platform. Now head over to trendline.com and make the most of what it offers. Thanks for tuning in. This is Melissa signing off.